Good morning, you guys. I am just getting up. Oh, we have been at the casino all night, just having a good time eating. The house is messy, but it's just kind of like messy because things are out of sorts. Ooh, I'm so sorry. The TV is up loud. I'm watching Oxygen. It's kind of doing this sleet, snowing outside. You can't really see it, but the sun is out. It's really pretty. And I've got all these towels and stuff all over the floor because when the dogs come in from outside, you guys, they are so wet. It drives me nuts. And then my honey got me a calla lily for Valentine's Day, and I was just reading how to take care of it, and it kind of looks a little sickly, and he just got it from like Kowalski's. I don't know, that looks kind of sickly, but I'm going to try to take that paper off, put it in a white pot, and then I still have all of my Valentine's stuff up. As we know, Valentine's is over, so I got to get some of this stuff down. Just kind of be neutral for a little bit. I know spring and Easter are coming, so I am just going to be neutral and probably start decorating for Easter into March. You guys, I never hardly have a kitchen rug because Piper always thinks she has to go and pee on them. So when we leave the house, we put this rug up. This is normally a rug that's at the end of the stairs for the dogs because it is that flooring that's slippery for them. So I usually put one of these at the end of the stairs. Look at, she's checking it out right now. Like, I talk about it and now she's over there. And I've got some dishes in the sink. We've got a couple bowls of popcorn going on. Piper. And she was just outside, so I'm kind of nervous. Come on, Pipes. Come on, Pipey. Get off Mommy's rug. Yeah. Come on. I know you're going to be a good girl. Piper. Get off of there. And then in the bathroom, you guys, the same thing. She does the same thing to the bathroom rug, but we have to keep the door shut. But I heard if you occupy a space, like act like it's your lived-in space all the time, like sit on the area where she pees, not when she pees on it, but you know, like after you've cleaned the rug and stuff, and you just kind of sit in that area and inhabit it, that eventually she'll realize that it's not for her and she'll stay off of it, or she'll quit marking it. And then in the bathroom, sorry for the lighting, just all my Valentine's stuff is up. I cleaned the mirror again. I don't know what got on there, like toothpaste or something. So yeah, I need to just kind of pick up real quick, get ready for the day. What else am I gonna do? I've got to go to the store. I'm really not knowing what Piper's doing. She's kind of making me nervous. I think she's just looking for popcorn. You guys, when I make popcorn and the popcorn falls out of the bowl, it lands on the floor, like they're the first ones. Choppy loves popcorn. I don't know if Piper does. I think she just does it because Choppy does it. And I am using my new eyelash mug from Sweetwater Decor. Clean up upstairs and downstairs. I'm going to do like a 60-minute thing. I'm going to time myself. And then I'm going to get out the door and get to the store. Okay, you guys, I'm at Wax in the City. I'm going to go in now and get my waxing done. Come on, let's go. There's the sign for Wax in the City. The thing is, you guys, I have to go up all these stairs. See you at the top. Okay, you guys, here I am at Wax in the City. Isn't it cute? I'm going in. Oh, my girls are ready. There's my Anna. She does great waxing, you guys. I love her. I've been going to her for how long now, Anna?
Almost 5 years.
Oh my gosh, has it been that long?
Yeah.
So actually, Anna had been doing my Brazilians in my chin and my nose. It's so crazy. And she is going to be doing my chin today. I'm embarrassed to say, but it's got to be done. They have all these wonderful products here. From your face down to your toes? Actually, right? Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah. Great products. Look at there, you guys. So you have nothing to be afraid of when you come in for your waxing. They have all these wonderful products to help take care of your skin before and after. And it's a cute place. It's decorated really nice. There's my girls again. Really cute place. Their candles always smell nice and it's great music. Oh, they still got those cute little pumpkins out.
They're 75% off.
Ooh, 75% off, Anna says.
Yeah.
Well, I suppose Anna wants to get started. So it's time to get to waxing. So Anna's gonna get started. What are you applying, Anna?
This is a cornstarch powder.
Mmm.
So this just helps soak up any of the skin's natural oils, any makeup, any products that might be on your skin. So the wax can apply nice and smoothly.
Oh, this is beautiful. Keep my mouth
It's
shut.
everyone's favorite angle.
All done. Okay, so now we're all done. Let's go get something to eat. I'm thinking a salad or something. So let's go see. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna get to eat. I should go to D'Amico and Sons. I'm not probably gonna go there. Maybe I'll go to Kowalski's and get a salad. I am not quite sure.
I stopped living my life by my horoscope. Didn't get me places, and I don't share my food with my cat anymore. Guess she got new.
Look at all the cute stuff at Kowalski's. Oh, look at those cute towels. Oh my gosh, those towels are adorable. How cute. Oh, look at bunnies on a little truck. What else? Little llamas. Look at all the flowers. Oh, I can't be over here. I gotta look at groceries. This is just too much. Ooh, those candles are cute. Look at all this stuff. Little summer dresses. Okay. I've got to get something to eat. Ooh, I gotta look at dog food too to see if they have the dog food that I need.
Swear to God, I am all alone in this wide, wild world, wide, wild. And I swear to God, I am all alone in this wide, wild world. Baby, got me something, something, something.
Now they have stuff to make salads. I want a salad. Ooh, it's Tuesday. Is it like Sushi Tuesday? Let me go check it out.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed you to.
Hey, you guys, I just got home. I put my hair up in a bun because it's easier to keep it up out of the way like this. I just fed the dogs. They're just like little kids, you know, they gotta go potty, they gotta eat. I had to stop and get gas before I came home. So I'm gonna show you the stuff that I bought. And then I'm gonna eat dinner. And then I'm gonna get rid of all the Valentine stuff that's up. Okay, hold on. So here's everything I got, you guys. I didn't get a lot. So I got this quinoa salad. It's pecan and cranberry quinoa salad. I've got some avocados, 2 small avocados. They're really hard to see in there. And then I got some apples. I got a Honeycrisp and 2 McIntosh. The Honeycrisp were really expensive. Then I got this Gold Peak tea, and this is the unsweetened tea. I got some popcorn. I really like this. It's raspberry lemonade. I'm gonna try. I've never had that flavor, but I'm gonna try it. I got some vegetables, and then I got some chicken for tonight, and some of it's for tomorrow. And you just pick that out of like a buffet style at the grocery store. And then I had to go and get Piper's food. So she does Natural Balance, limited ingredient, and she has to have this one, chicken and sweet potato formula. And then she also has to have special treats, and she got sweet potato and fish. And this is also the limited ingredient, and this is small breed, and they're both for small breeds. Usually she gets a prescription of dog food, but I can go back between the prescription and the Natural Balance. And look, I let them 2 out, and they're barking their heads off. All right, come on in, guys. Okay, so you guys, that's everything that I got from the grocery store. Choppy wants a treat.
I just wanna be with you. Baby, it's a place where we could go, where it's always shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, it's a place where we could go, where it's always shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. I can't get enough, I can't get enough. I can't get enough, I can't get enough.
Okay, you guys, so I kind of got things back to normal. I went to take those 2 pictures down by the coffee bar, and it looked funny because the pictures that I had for there are way too big. So I'm going to have to go out and get some more pictures, but it's just kind of nice to have things back to normal for a moment. I got both coffee pots back, or I should say the Nespresso, and then my coffee pot back, and the dog's treats are back in the corner. Just for now, and then it will be spring and Easter decorating. And then I've got this side kind of back to somewhat normal, and I just kind of put this stuff on here for now, just because I just want to keep it neutral for a minute, and then I want to think about what more stuff to get in there. And now I've got my eggs on. I'm gonna put those on high, actually. So I got my eggs on now. Let them boil. Those will be for the week. And then I'm going to put those away and just put away the rest of my Valentine stuff that's on the table and my groceries. And I'll talk to you in a moment. Do you guys put your avocados in the fridge? I don't know. I leave them out on the counter usually, but tonight I'm going to put them in the fridge. They're supposed to be out, right?
Laying in your bed, fighting ghosts in my head. Wish that I could let you go. Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn. When your heart is set to burn, fading away until the light will return. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite.
Guys, this ends my video tonight. I am so tired. I am pooped out. I worked all day, then I came home, then I went for my waxing. Flip that. I went for my waxing and then I came home, got rid of some of that Valentine stuff, and I am ready for bed. I'm usually in bed by 9:30, so I'm gonna straighten up some things that I have to do in the spare bedroom, let the dogs out, and go to bed. Thanks you guys so much for coming over to my channel, and I appreciate all the love. Until next time, you guys, bye-bye.